I'm going to show you how I crochet these cute face scrubbies using 100% cotton yarn from Hobby Lobby, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and some scissors. So I'm going to start off with my loop, and I'm going to single crochet. No, I'm going to chain 4. And then after I chain 4, I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain that I created to create the loop. And once you've created the loop, just find the middle part, and we're going to single crochet 7 into the middle of that loop. And once you're done single crocheting all the way around, we're going to slip stitch that loop together, and we are done with row 1. So now for row 2, we are going to chain 2, and that's going to be act as our first half double crochet. Then we're going to half double crochet into that same chain 2 space. So that's 2 half double crochets into that stitch, and then we are going to go ahead and half double crochet 2 into each stitch all the way around. And that's going to be a total of 14 half double crochets. So now we're going to slip stitch that together, and then we're going to chain 2 again for row 3. So chain 2 and half double crochet into the same chain 2 space like we did before. Then we're going to go to the next stitch and do 1 half double crochet, and then we're going to do 2 half double crochets into the next stitch, and we're going to just repeat that pattern all the way around. And that's going to end in a total of 20 half double crochets. And don't forget to slip stitch so we can get that perfect circle going on for our scrubbies. All right, so after we've slip stitched for row 3, we're going to chain 2 again, and we're going to repeat row 3. Exactly what we did. So chain 2, half double crochet into the same chain 2 space, and then into the next stitch, we're going to do 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet, and repeat that all the way around, and that is going to end in a total of 30 half double crochets all the way around. And we're almost done. After this, we just have the last row to go for our face scrubby. We're halfway through. Well, halfway through the video. I need to zoom out a little bit more next time so I can get some action on the flick of my wrist, because you know what? It's all in the wrist and all in the tension when you're crocheting. If you're a professional crocheter, you've been crocheting for a while, you already knew that. And that's something that I had to learn as I was going along and learning my crocheting. And also pause this video or rewind it whenever you need to. That's what helps best when you're learning a new pattern, or you're, you know, just getting more familiarized with how you crochet, with your crochet style. All right, so we're going to slip stitch, and then now we are just going to chain 1, and we are going to single crochet around 15 times, well, into 15 stitches. So single crochet into 15 stitches. And this part is optional if you want the little loop with your face scrubby. It's really up to you. If you don't want it, just keep crocheting, single crocheting all the way around. It's really up to your preference. Or should I say it's really up to you? Either one makes sense. So once I get to the chain part, I'm just going to yarn over and then pull through and do that 9 times to create our little loop. And once you finish doing that, then we're just going to continue single crocheting all the way around our project to finish, and then we'll just finish it off and weave in the ends. And I'll just show that because weaving in the ends makes a huge difference in your work. Makes your work come out way nicer, way cleaner. And thank you for watching my video. Any friendly feedback is greatly appreciated. Make sure you subscribe for more videos in the future. Bye.